So I had a nap. It's somewhere around quarter to four. Today I slept. Yesterday I was sleepless because something came in my head. I was too scared after that. Not for me, but I thought of like some kind of fight might happen or something. That, Arey, my head doesn't work that good. If something is stuck in my head, it won't go until I release somewhere myself. So I went to Bombay. I spoke with few people. They said, "No, nothing's gonna happen. What's gonna happen?" And anyways, I will be giving safety. I gave my word, so it shouldn't happen that something has been. I gave up and I, what do you call it? I put their neck on the line. It shouldn't happen this way. Getting this right. It should be a proper, what do you call it? No bothered, living tense free. That kind of stuff should happen. So uh, look, I'm working too hard to settle things everywhere. Hmm? I'm working damn hard. Hmm? So here I'll do that formalities before going to the surgery. Then after the surgery, this place gets sold out. I gotta move in, move out, move somewhere, and uh, what do you call it? Then, uh, huh? So I expect one thing, that don't cut my way, please. I expect something. Huh? At the moment I went to I went in Delana, I went to see auntie, Eileen auntie. I found out that someone must have done something, said something about me, that about fight and anything. So I saw what was the stuff there. So then, don't cut my way, please. Huh? You just got the files. It doesn't mean you owe my life. Huh? You understand this tech. It doesn't mean you could do this. Look, you have those files. I'm giving some clearance. You, whatever the source, the LAN server, whatever the source you got, you have those files. So they matter. I'll give some more clearance. Don't worry. I'll give some more traces regarding those files. Don't worry. In time. But I expect this, that don't cut my way. Huh? Don't stop me from being myself. Okay. Rather than this action junkie, I'm a what do you call it? Piece of work. That's why entire Bombay came after me. English. I create masterpieces. If you want to cut my work, tell me how many films you have directed, how many films you have made, how many work you have done, how much work you have done. Hmm? My work is outside there too. Huh? So my acting career has been smashed with this face. I'm trying to fix it. So I don't think acting career would be any more thing for me, because I see there is a mountain here. This is not how I used to look. Still, I'll try to fix it, but I don't think I'll do my career in acting anymore, I guess. So I create masterpieces, and that's what I'll do. And I, uh, what do you call it? I charge a big number for that. Huh? Business I don't understand, sell and buy I don't understand. I create something, they like something, then they pay me in big numbers. That's it. So I request not to cut my way, and I ask you how many films you have directed, how much work you have done. Huh? Just by getting those files, it doesn't mean you have to do this to me. Huh? So don't cut my way. Rather than that, this action junkie and the way the look, the rotating, from rotating itself, you could understand how I was. I was stopping at different places, different spots for a reason. That the phone should also be there. the GPS spoofers. I tackle that shit. Don't worry. I tackled that shit very nicely, wisely. I know I made few records over there. Don't worry. So, uh, so I request don't cut my way. Hmm? Rather than this uh, scam catcher and all this stuff, I create masterpieces. Hmm? That's why the entire Bombay was after me. And people got jealous, so they smashed my face. Getting this bad. So my acting career is kind of gone, but still, I have to fix it because I have a life, right? I have to go around, I have to move around, I have to see people. I cannot go. What do you live my life with this mountain on my below my eye, and this what do you call it, this nose? I try my best to fix everything back. You people will be also. These people over here will be also fixed properly. Don't worry. I'll give some stuff so this no one could harm anyone. So then I have to go back to my town. Then uh, uh, do what do you call it? Do my procedure there. Then surgery is there. Post surgery is there. In post surgery, I have to see doctor. Then I have to see my people before leaving somewhere. I have to work. Kind of chota mota though I have to do something right over there. Huh? I cannot live my life this way. More than 2 years. Imagine. But I got good stuff in 2 years. Good material I got. So I'll make sure the people over here will be also in safety, and if anyone uses start working in Bollywood, so no harm will be there. And if anyone is trying to cut my way just because of those files, I ask you, how many films you have directed? What filmmaking course you have done? I ask only this part. Ask yourself, if anyone who is trying to cut my way, how many films you have directed, and what filmmaking you have done, and what all art stuff you have created in the market, which the market has it. My work is in the market. So please don't. At least that watch that scent of a woman, the Al Pacino at the end he speaks. Let him continue on his journey. This Charlie wants to continue his journey. Huh? So you hold this future in your hands, comedy. It's a valuable future. Don't destroy it. Protect it. It's gonna make you proud one day. So, look, ask yourself how many films you have directed. How many this thing you have done. That thing. Uh, outdoor markets. Outdoor. How many outdoors you have done? How much? What do you call that thing? What filmmaking course you have done? What do you know about filmmaking more than that? Those files, more than that, what do you know which you have done practically? Nothing, right? So I have been outdoor practically. That's my life. That's why entire Bombay was after me. You get this guy, you get the what do you call it? You get in his league. So that's what the stuff was. They tried a lot and they smashed my face at the end. So do something. You have the goods. You create something here. Okay. And Bollywood, I don't want to work. They will kill me in 5 years. Trust me. They'll take my goods, make a good use of me, and then one day I'll be getting killed. That's how world is. This world is. I hope you understand. So have fun, enjoy. I am fixing things. I am working too hard, so there should be no troubles, and there will be no troubles. As I spoke with few reputed people, they said, "I कौन करता है ऐसा कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा." It was inside me that something might happen, something might happen. Okay. That's it. Just don't cut my way, please. It's a humble request. Hmm? Please. Like the Church Road thing, when I came to know, the Dilana thing I came to know, please don't cut my way, please. I request. I'm working too hard to fix everything and get everyone settled. Please.